To make the basket weave stitch, you'll want to begin by making some vertical straight stitches, and you'll want to make these equal distance apart with just a small gap in between, and this is going to be the foundation for our stitch. And then we're simply going to weave in and out in between these stitches you're stitching now. Once you've made your way across, you'll want to come up in the top corner and then simply begin weaving. And to do this, you're going to simply go over, under, over, under, over, under through a pattern, and then pull on your thread, and you can use your needle or your fingers to push up on that thread. And as you noticed in that strip I did there, I went needle first. That's actually harder as your needle will often get stuck in the threads, so it's best to do what I'm doing here and flip your needle so the side with the hole in it is going first. It makes it a lot smoother of a way getting through, and then once you come to the end, you simply go down through the thread under where you originally started. And so when you make your rounds going through these different layers, you're gonna go opposite of what you just did. So like on the first one, I went over, under, over, under. So on the next row, I'm gonna do under, over, under, over. So you're just doing that opposite pattern to create the weaved look and the weaved effect. And so this is a very simple stitch. It's just one that takes a bit longer, but it's also rewarding as it has a very beautiful finished look, perfect for baskets or like stitching sweaters, or anything that you want to add some fun texture. So it's just important to remember to ground your stitches at the beginning by coming up through the fabric, and once you finish a row, going down through the fabric under where you originally went up on the other side. And so you'll just continue this all the way down until you have filled in your shape. Once you near the end, things will be a little bit tighter, so it will be a bit of a tighter fit, but just do your best to kind of fit them in snugly and finish out the rows evenly. I found that on these last rows that if you kind of go up and under where you've already woven, it kind of makes some extra room to just fit them in. But just do your best to finish it, and then we'll cap it all off and round off our edges. To clean up the edges, I'm just simply going around the border with some straight stitches to cap it off and make it look smooth, and that is the basket weave stitch. If you found this video helpful, would you please hit that like button and go ahead and subscribe for more embroidery content if that's your thing. Until next time, my friends, happy stitching.